Welcome to Full Stack PHP Web Development course. PHP if else if statements. Conditional statements are used to perform different actions based on different conditions. If statement execute some code if one condition is true. If statement executes some code if a condition is true and another code if that condition is false. If else statement execute a different code for more than two conditions. Switch statement selects one of many blocks of code to be executed. If else statement syntax is keyword F condition and code to be executed if condition is true. So in this example we have a variable t which is assigned the current hour. pDate is the PHP built-in function and parameter pass is hour, and in the second statement we have echo the string along with concatenation operator with the value of hour. Then in next we have if and else statements. So here in the first condition it determined if the value of t is less than 10, then it will echo this statement and skip the rest of the code. If this condition is false, then it will check for the next condition. Else if t is less than 20, maybe t value has been changed to 11, then this condition will be executed and echo have a good day statement will be executed. Otherwise it will check for the final statement where there is no condition, and this code will be executed if above two conditions are not met. I am writing the code. Assign number 10 value. Its number is the 10 and echo if condition executed. Okay, and else if number is less than 10, I will copy this code, close the if condition, else if. Now as this condition is true, we have to make this false, and this is 10, this will also not executed. Let me make it 11. Now this condition will run, and in the very last, which is else, and if this is true, false, and this is false too, and this will execute it automatically.